Wisconsin, northern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Deerfield to near Edgerton to near Footville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Watertown, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Jefferson, Lake Mills,